Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to talk about Temu's influencer program. Now there's two reasons I want you to do this. First is because you can make a lot of money from it, but second is because you can get a lot of free stuff. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you here today is exactly what happened when I signed up for Temu and got a ton of free stuff. So first and foremost, if you check out diy.agency/recommend/Temu, what you're going to want to do is simply enter in the promo code of AFM92144. I'll make sure that it's in the link below as well. This will get you access to the opportunity to earn up to $300 in free products and earn a ton of different options with affiliate revenues. So like I said, you get free products, they give you exclusive coupons, and you can make money for everybody that buys stuff. So all you really have to do is join up campaigns that they offer and run, and post and share on social media, whether it be YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or whatever. You can do long form video or short. Every time you do that, they actually give you more balance to buy more stuff, and then you can repeat the process. So there are over 10,000 influencers that are doing this, but really what I want to do is get into the things that I bought, and I will make separate videos for these to promote them. But I just want to show you, just as part of just joining this and hooking up my account, the first and foremost thing that I did, my son drives my car and has a little dent puller, a couple dents on the car, and so just got a $2.47 dent puller. That's the first thing. What else? It's like Christmas over here. The second thing is I do have a Tesla, and so wrong button. This one. So what I got was a sweet little for 22 bucks, a multi-port charger that fits right into the center console, and that does light up with Tesla. So I'm pretty excited to kind of upload and demonstrate that on another one of my YouTube channels. This box is the other item. It is just a center console storage box that I'm going to replace for my Tesla again, which I'm again excited to kind of break out. I've always kind of had some issues. Personally, I use Galaxy Buds, so I'm going to try these out. These are Lenovo XT88s. These look pretty good and are supposed to be pretty good noise canceling headphones. Again, got them for like 11 bucks. Going to give them to my wife if I don't love them, which is probably going to happen. She's going to get them. She needs them more than me. What else came in Christmas here? I got what I've always been looking for is I always spend a lot of time I'm a softball coach for a high school team and my daughter's travel team, and so I spend a lot of time on the fields. And as you can imagine, your phones and your tablets and stuff like that burn out pretty quickly. So I've always been looking for an opportunity to have a solar-powered charger. So again, this is something $14.43. Now these things, if you look at them on Amazon, are a lot more expensive. So the beauty is not only are you getting free stuff, but you can, if you are going to buy stuff, the quality looks pretty solid. It's just as good here, and again, it's much cheaper. So Tesla owners will probably be familiar with this. One of the issues is they have kind of these plastic seat belts, and then on the in between the seat and the actual door panel is plastic as well, and so you'll find that they rattle around a lot. So this is just simply a 2-pack of silicone protective cases for the it's more for sound canceling for the back of the car. And then finally, I had actually forgotten that I had even gotten this until it showed up here. It's just a simple, RFID blocking minimalist wallet for men. So again, these things are all pretty sweet. I'm really excited about them. But what I really want to focus on is, one, the fact that I got them free, and two, that I'm going to promote the heck out of them on other YouTube channels, not this one. And then every time I get views to those channels, I'm going to qualify for more products. But more importantly, if people buy them with the links that I provide, I'm going to get affiliate cash. So there's really two ways to earn. So you can qualify for more product. And again, if you've been doing this on a channel, the more videos you have, the more likely you are to qualify for Amazon's influencer program, where making great money already, getting a lot of great products, but this is just a secondary option for those of you that maybe couldn't qualify for the Amazon plan or influencer program. Temu is a great opportunity for you, and so I hope this video helps. Again, all the links are going to be down below, and if you do have any questions, fire them off, and thanks for watching.